welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to add support loops for boundary protection in SubD modeling workflow where you use a subdivision service modifier to add smoothness to your model. You will want to add boundary support wherever you want sharp edges. So first things first, so let's begin with the first method, which is loop cut and slide. And as you can see here, we have this shape over there. So by pressing Ctrl R, you can add a loop cut, Ctrl R, and hover over the edge you want to add loop cut for it. Then you can move the loop cut closer to the boundary. Click like this, so drag it close like this. You can add subdivision surface modifier as shown here, so you can turn it off, and you can add also another edge loop. So Ctrl R, hover over the mouse cursor like this, for example. Ctrl R, turn on subdivision surface modifier. As you can see here, so tap into object mode, shade smooth, shade auto smooth, and you can see this is the first method you can use it, which is a loop cut and slide. You can press E to confirm the loop of the neighboring geometry and F to flip. So let's go back. Like this, you can press E and to move it, or so extrude. When adding a loop cut, you can press so Ctrl R, add loop cut, hit E to conform the loop to the neighboring geometry, as you can see, and F to flip which side it confirms to. Just like this, so drag it close to this area over here. Tap into object mode, add subdivision surface modifier, shade smooth, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next method